Biscuits are not just for breakfast. They go with a whole lot of dinners. We can spice these little guys up. Garlic cheddar biscuits. 1 cube of unsalted butter that's room temperature. Sift in 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 tablespoon Hain featherweight baking powder, sodium-free. Healthy Heart Market or Amazon. Using a pastry blender, or you can do it with 2 knives, but it just takes longer. Then cut the flour into the butter. Just a minute or 2 until it looks a little bit coarse. With the fork, stir in 3/4 cup of milk. I weighed 56 grams of the cheddar cheese and grated it. I'm going to mix the cheese in. Knead it for just a little bit until you get all the flour into the dough. My oven is preheating to 450 degrees. Please subscribe to my channel for a brand new low sodium recipe every Friday. A little flour on the cutting board. Smack it down with your hands. Half inch. I've had these at restaurants that had a little bit of parsley in them, but I'm not fond of that. If you like parsley, put a little in. My glass is a 2.5 inch. That's what I use for my biscuits. Put them on an ungreased baking sheet. These are quick to put together. When you get your little pieces left, just scoop them all up. Make a little ball. Add them back down again and cut some more. The last little bit, I just make a little ball. Smack it down and it's done. We have 14 biscuits. I'm going to put them in my oven. I always start checking the biscuits at 10 minutes. Sometimes they're done in 10. Today, they took 12. 14 biscuits. 10 milligrams of sodium apiece. If you use store-bought cheddar, they will be 30.79 milligrams each. My husband's been patiently waiting. Folks, he's been smelling these cooking and he needs a couple biscuits.